Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to calculate mean in Excel. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. At first, open an Excel sheet, and here we would find out the mean of the units. So what we will do is just uh, write a formula. So this is how we would write that equals to average, put a first bracket and select the entire row or the entire entire digits, and just put this and just close the bracket and press on enter. Here you can see the mean is calculated. So this is how you can calculate the mean here. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more exciting videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.